Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you have subscribed, liked and shared. In today's video, I will be showing you my small passionate workshop that I have created in my house. This includes all the little creative things that I have created. Crochet is my passion. I love to play with thread to create yarn to masterpiece. So check the full video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will shortly take you on a tour into the world. So take a deep breath and enjoy my passionate journey. These are the tools I use to create my magic. My wool, my scissors and the needle. All used to create the magic of crochet. My small sewing machine made out of cardboard, which makes me aware that I create magic. These are the magic needles which I keep in a small bucket so it's easy when in use. And the button size coaster. Do you see the lovely roses made out of satin ribbon? Very easy to make. I will show you in my upcoming videos how to make this lovely rose. And the vase is out of a plastic bottle. And moving on, is the lamination, few of my creative lamination work. And this is a photo frame made out of waste. And this is a desk organizer. Helps me to organize my tools and my day-to-day life. I hope you have enjoyed my little journey of my amazing workshop. So stay tuned